safe in this moment. My body knows how to relax. I allow myself to feel supported and held. I gently connect with my inner child now. I acknowledge every part of me with kindness. I listen to my needs with compassion and patience. My inner child is no longer alone. I am here now. I am present, loving, and attentive. I give myself permission to rest. I give myself permission to soften. There is no rush. There is no danger. My nervous system learns calm and safety. My breath flows naturally and easily. My body releases stored tension gently. I honor what I went through. I honor my resilience. I honor my strength. I no longer minimize my experiences. I no longer blame myself for surviving. I understand that I did the best I could with what I had. My inner child feels seen. My inner child feels heard. My inner child feels protected. I am allowed to feel joy. I am allowed to feel peace. I am allowed to feel playful and light. I release fear from my body at my own pace. I release shame that was never mine to carry. I release guilt that does not belong to me. I speak to myself with gentleness. I choose words that comfort and reassure. I choose thoughts that feel safe in my body. My inner child trusts me more each day. I show up consistently and lovingly. I am reliable and nurturing to myself. I create emotional safety within myself. I choose environments that feel calm and supportive. I choose relationships that honor my boundaries. My inner child learns that love does not hurt. Love feels steady and gentle. Love feels calm and respectful. I am allowed to say no. I am allowed to take up space. I am allowed to exist without fear. I release old survival patterns with compassion. I thank my body for protecting me. I allow new patterns of peace to form. I no longer need to stay alert or guarded. I am safe to relax now. I am safe to trust myself. My body remembers how to feel safe. My mind learns to rest. My heart opens slowly and naturally. I give my inner child reassurance. I give my inner child patience. I give my inner child unconditional love. I am proud of how far I have come. I acknowledge my growth. I acknowledge my courage. I do not need to be perfect to be loved. I do not need to earn safety. I do not need to prove my worth. I allow myself to receive care. I allow myself to receive kindness. I allow myself to receive gentleness. My inner child feels comforted by my presence. I am a safe place within myself. I am a steady anchor of peace. I choose self-compassion over self-criticism. I choose patience over pressure. I choose understanding over judgment. I release emotional burdens that are too heavy to carry. I give myself permission to heal slowly. I trust my body's natural healing rhythm. I am not broken. I was adapting. I was learning how to survive. Now I am learning how to thrive. Now I am learning how to feel safe. Now I am learning how to live with ease. My inner child feels supported and valued. I am gentle with myself during difficult moments. I respond to myself with kindness. I choose peace in my body. I choose softness in my mind. I choose safety in my heart. I release the past without reliving it. I keep the wisdom and release the pain. I allow healing to unfold naturally. My inner child trusts the present moment. I am grounded in now. I am safe right here. I nurture myself with loving thoughts. I nurture myself with patience. I nurture myself with care. I allow joy to return gently. I allow laughter to feel safe again. I allow lightness to exist in my life. My body no longer carries constant tension. My muscles soften naturally. My breath remains slow and steady. I give my inner child reassurance again and again. You are safe. You are loved. You are protected. I trust myself fully. I am safe now. I am loved now. I am whole now.